21-year-old man is dead and a suspect in custody just minutes after a deadly overnight shooting in Deltona.
West 2's Volusia County reporter Pamela Combe was at the scene, and she tells us how doorbell camera video helped investigators catch that suspect.
Volusia County deputies rushed to a Deltona condo complex off Orchidwood Road after multiple 911 calls Monday morning. Neighbors quickly noticed the large scene.
Looked outside, there was police everywhere with their flashlights checking everything out. They had everything, crime scene tape everywhere. Deputies
say they found a 21-year-old man dead outside the door of a second-floor unit. He had been shot several times.
These days, you never know what's going on.
You never know what's going on, that's right. So you never know what's going to happen. And you do get scared.
The suspect arrested within minutes. Doorbell camera captured video of the person, giving deputies a detailed description of the suspect almost immediately. A deputy spotted him just down the road and arrested him shortly after. And just minutes after that,
a K-9 unit searching the area found a black backpack along a nearby trail believed to have been ditched by the suspect.
Deputies investigated for hours, and later Monday morning, the scene was finally cleared. Covering Volusia County in Deltona, Pamela Combe, West 2 News.
Deputies say charges against the suspected shooter are still pending. Police have not yet released the name of that person or the 21-year-old who died.